Hi friends, I'm Tagu, and a few days ago I found an interesting plant while I was cleaning up the school's backyard.
Why are you late?
I overslept. My alarm didn't work.
What did you do last night?
I studied.
Please try not to be late next time, okay?
Come on, but this one time.
Okay, you can come in, but with one condition.
What is it? I'll do anything.
Pick up the trash in the backyard.
Okay, I'll do this.
Do not do it again, okay?
While I was picking up trash, I saw this plant. When I accidentally touch it, the leaves fold inward and drop. I was like, what in the Harry Potter world is this? Is this plant magical or is it another nature's wonder? So here I come again. This is the plant. It's called the shameful plants. Eager to know this nature's little secret, I head out to my school library. I need to know, what is this? Some of my friends say it's Putrimalu plant. It gets me more curious. Let's do it. Let's dig more information. After some deep research, now I finally know why do the leaves fold when it's touched. Well, I found some interesting facts about the Putrimalu plants or the shameful plants, or some people may see it as the touch me not plants. So apparently this is related to the self-defense mechanism. Physical defenses are the first line of protection for many plants. These defenses make it hard for herbivores to eat the plant. These physical defenses hurts the herbivore, hence making them stop eating the leaves and stem. That is why you can see thorn on the shameful plant. When the plant is touched, it will fold its leaf with the help of pulvini. What is pulvini? Pulvini is present at the base of each leaflet. They consist of salt that is filled with water, and the water supplies pressure to the walls of the cells. And this pressure is called sugar pressure. It's like when you touch me, the reaction to your touch will make my body want to move away. And the movement of my body, it takes a lot of energy that makes me want to rest and sit down until I am fully charged and can go back to what I was doing. Another fascinating fact about this plant are, first, it can be used as medicine for hemorrhoid, fever, to overcome insomnia, and even poisoning. This is because the plant contains antidepressant and antibacterial and other pharmacological stuff. Touch-me-not plant is basically a type of wild plant. However, it can also be used as ornamental plant because of its small, globular pink flower puffs. You know, it always amuses me how Mother Nature's work, like God is amazing for giving us living creatures and unique features to help us survive and live our life. I believe there are millions of secrets out there in nature that are just waiting to be discovered. I have found one of nature's mystery. Now it's your turn to discover and learn. You'll be amazed what you will find out here. That's all for me. I hope you have an amazing adventure finding nature's amazing secrets. Well, see you in the next one. Bye, friends. So, my dear friends, what are you waiting for? Put down your phone and explore your surroundings.